Just watch, Trent.
They're so cute.
There
I'm
she
gonna
is.
hold them up. Look how white they are.
Let's see
Cami.
if we can keep them that way.
Now check the size. Did you check the size? Just peek inside the tongue.
There's different Legos there.
Yeah, they're an 8.
Okay, good.
You think you can
They
keep them
smell
white?
like.
Brand spanking new, right? Converse.
I think I can. I had no idea.
Yeah. Look at mommy's face.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Trenty. Hey, kitty.
Hey, you want to get in the box, kitty?
Oh, we can fit in there.
You can fit.
Kitty's gonna be right in the middle of all the gifts.
He loves tissue paper. Tissue. Probably gonna make that. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
You untie it?
Gundam.
A Gundam.
Gundam.
That should be different than Tyler's, right? That's not the
Yeah,
same.
It's different.
Yeah.
Where
Hey.
did I go?
He went to get a tissue. He'll be right back.
Oh, okay.
Very nice, Trent. I'm taking a video now. I switched it over. You're good. Yep, perfect.
So
Yep.
we don't need to.
Thank you.
Oh, like it. Look,
Cami, throw me that bag.
it's a white version. Yep. Ooh. We like it.
All right, Ty, which one is that? Rips into it. All right, so that's one of your big ones.
Technically.
The knee fleece building. Yeah, it's like a big Lego. Yep, perfect, Tyler.
Let me
Thank
see
you.
it. Oh, that's
That's
cool.
the one of helicopter. What- He likes his knee.
Together recorder.
Like 3 in 1.
Yeah,
More than one. Helicopter, car, boat. Not helicopter, then car.
Oh, like,
Yeah.
it's like
2
5
cars,
or 6.
2 helicopters,
Kitty,
1
yeah.
boat.
yep. That's cool, Tyler.
Get it.
All right, Cami.
Let's see what Cami has.
Which one's from the boys?
That,
big one.
That'll be at the end.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kitty in heaven with
Mom, I ripped the box.
You're fine.
Yeah, those we don't care about. Yeah.
We happy.
Oh, look how cute. That is freaking adorable.
Kimmy, you know what that look like? That shirt?
Oh my gosh. Look at those.
Yeah.
Hey Kimmy,
What?
that shirt look like?
What?
It looks
Ice cream Sunday.
ice cream Sunday.
So you can wear that with some jeans, a shirt with some
Yeah,
jeans.
probably.
Yeah, you could wear that without the shorts. Yeah.
And the sleeves are like,
They're bloomy.
yeah, and I like that.
Yep, that is neat.
Super cute.
Kitty is in Christmas wrapping paper heaven. Yeah, that's nice, Cami. How's
And
the
it's
material
so
feel?
soft.
It's super
feel it.
soft.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that is nice.
Super cute.
She's gonna try to wear that to the Christmas service. All right, Trent, what do you got? How many you got left, Trent?
2 left.
After that one?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
I have 4 left.
Yeah. Well, this is Trent's third.
Third, yeah.
So
This is my last small one. I had 3 big ones left.
yeah. Oh yeah, Trent, that's what you picked out, right?
Yeah.
Let me see.
That's one of them controllers.
Oh, that's,
It's got all the lights and stuff on
It
it.
lights up.
that's cool.
Yeah, that's neat, Trent.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh wow.
It's really cool looking, isn't it?
Yeah, that is
That's
nice.
Just how you tear it
That's
on your
super
floor.
cool.
Yeah, very nice, Trent. Thank you.
And make it.
Oh yeah, that's the Gundam, right? That you wanted with the wheels?
Yeah. Cause trans white one and this orange one kind of similar. But
It's
different colors.
it's different colors, yeah.
But had different kind of weapons. This one have blades. He got different kind of
Yeah, you got the white one, right, Trent?
Yep.
Yeah.
You got the white with the wheels.
The one
Yeah.
to kind of be stretch it out and play with something and stretch it back.
Yeah, right. Yep, you guys
Play
got
with them too.
2 different colors. Cool.
Yep.
Yep, I know that's what you wanted.
Yeah.
You guys had it picked out. Yep, thank you, Tyler. That's awesome. All right, Cami. Very nice, Tyler. Let's see what Cami's got here.
Hey, it's sack of potatoes.
Yeah.
You'll have fun building that, won't you, Tyler?
Yeah.
I'll try to do not build or get her already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It went inside.
Yeah, you can keep that bag. I like
Yeah,
that bag
it's a nice bag.
too, Cambama.
Me and Trina do have fun building these
Yeah.
and playing with them.
You could build your 2 Gundams that have wheels on them.
Ooh.
Kitty
I
heaven.
can't tell what it looks like.
Reach your hand inside, Cami. Just
Go
unzip
ahead.
part of it.
Yeah, you can,
Not all of it if you don't want. Just
you can pull it out.
she can unzip it and put her hand in.
Is it the white one that I had on Amazon that was super cool?
With the cute little white balls.
The little white
Oh,
balls
yes,
hanging off.
Those are so cute. I'm just gonna leave it in the bag because it's all.
Nice and yeah.
But yeah, that's super cute. The pom pom one, and I need a new comforter. Thank you.
Kitty heaven.
You're welcome.
Kitty
Okay,
Kitty.
Tyler, go ahead.
Let Tyler.
I didn't keep
He'll
it.
catch up to you, Trent. He'll go down to 2. Yeah. So Tyler, there you go. And Trent still has 1 more coming. Oh yeah.
Yay!
It's a box for Tyler. Tyler rips right into him. What is that, Tyler? Oh yeah, welding bag.
Let me see. Oh, that's cute.
That'll be now. What color is that, Tyler? When you open it up, open up the end of it. You got your knife. You could probably slide it out through the end.
I hand my knife to Cammy.
I was to the right.
There you go. Easy, don't. There you go.
I just fell. I can't look at you today.
No. You love me.
True.
Kitty, are you in heaven?
Don't let him eat that. Yep, the cat's right in the middle of this mess. Look at him.
Eating
Yeah, he loves it.
Quit.
Oh, Kitty just rolled on top. All right, Tyler, let's see what color.
Black and blue.
Black and blue, cool. Yeah, I think the bag opens up. The actual bag is all blue. Yep, and the handles and straps, right, are
Yeah,
black.
bag are black.
Hey, Cammy.
Oh yeah, that's
that
probably the
white
bottom.
ribbon,
Yep, cool.
Keep it with that gray
Awesome, Tyler.
bag.
And that.
Yep, nice.
Throw it, just throw it
Good job,
inside of
Tyler. All right, Cam Bama.
Quit.
it. Red
Let's
one on
see.
top.
Oh, it's too heavy.
That's a big one.
I mean, your wrapping's so pretty.
Thank you.
What is it? Yeah, make sure
Oh,
it's a box.
with some guy on it.
That's we knew you'd like that, so
Yeah, with
that's why
abs.
Oh my gosh.
We.
you need that Helps
I do need it.
to help strengthen you up a
My
little
arms have been so weak.
What is it? A saucer, maybe?
Never.
Just wait, she'll show you. You might need Tyler's knife because she's obviously gotten weak.
Slide it down, Cammy.
Yeah, slide that one over with
Slide
the long
small
one. Yeah, you can get the long one off. You think just drag it over.
It's
There you go.
Cammy proof.
Child.
Child lock.
Oh, the bar. Pull that bar.
What bar?
Hold it up.
It's
Let's.
heavy.
It is very heavy.
Yeah. It's like solid steel.
Put it in her door frame so she could
Now remember, we'll check it before you use it for the first
Yeah,
time to make
right.
sure.
It'll fall
Good.
off.
Make sure you're safe.
It doesn't fall off the door.
People, I've seen them bang their head, right? They fall off of it and they slam back on their head.
Yep.
You try to
I need to do like 20 pull-ups a day.
Yep. All right, Trenty. Trenty's up. Trent, what else? Why don't you open up the? You want to open up the small one, or do you want to save that for the end?
I'm gonna save it.
That's because that's your bigger gift there.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm guessing Lego. No.
No, I think it's a bunch of coal wrapped up and
Bunch of
shoved in a box. When you shake it and roll it, it's just all the coal rolling around.
No, it's just not like Legos. No. Not like Legos. Hey. Not like Legos. Let me see.
That's the one you wanted, right? The big one.
Yeah. That's cool.
That's the one you picked out.
Yeah, I did at Target.
Yep.
See a transformer?
Pretty cool.
No, it's Lego.
Ninjago.
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 Oh, look.
Yeah, see.
Add it to my collection.
Yep.
And my turn.
And Tyler's up.
Oh, cool. And that. Wow.
Switch.
Oh, that's the little switch.
Yep.
So
Like-
what does it do? It's a,
Towards this big robot right there in game.
oh, that's cool.
Yeah, he puts on.
Yeah, box.
Oh.
It's just boxes, I guess, and it somehow it transforms over when you put it up on the TV.
Oh.
It makes him look like he's a robot. Yeah, it's pretty.
Cool.
It's pretty neat.
Well, kind of turns to a vehicle.
Really?
Yeah.
And can, the robot mode can fly.
Yeah.
Dad, look.
Ah, kitty. Kitty's like, ooh, look at all this paper. There he goes.
Kitty heaven.
How many presents you have, Tyler?
One left.
One left.
I
Yep.
got one left. Kim got one.
Is this mine?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, the big one.
That's from Tyler and Trent. You guys remember picking that out
No.
with me? Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you'll see
Think
what
about
she. Just wait. Don't say nothing. Let her open it.
I really don't know what it is.
Okay, you'll.
It's a box.
She got.
Hey, Kitty, you need my pocket knife.
No, it should be the tape on top.
Oh, yeah. I remember
This
that.
was a while back.
Actually, yeah, I know.
Now it pulls.
I tried.
I just saw it. There. There. You got it.
Yeah, remember?
No, grab where in the middle. It's already ripped. If you
Yeah,
see the
there's
orange
clear
tape,
tape over top of it. You
Okay.
can't see that.
that's all right, Cami.
Hey, it's a garbage bag. She got a garbage bag.
I'm garbage.
Oh, I now remember this. Kim, you love garbage.
Okay, move the box out of the way.
I'm trying.
Pull the box, Trent, off over.
And right back.
What is
Put it
that?
in the center. Here, move the box over
I
just a little
felt
bit.
the softness.
Tyler.
Hey,
Oh
welcome.
my goodness.
Check that out.
I love it. Oh, it's so soft.
And I love that dog one.
I do love the dog one.
We hid that in the car.
Look at the size of that thing.
Oh my goodness. Feel it. Pass it around.
Pass it around.
That's the pup.
It's so soft.
Pass the pup, Trent.
He's so fluffy.
Ah.
Kids don't.
Oh my
It's like
gosh.
the softest,
It's heavy
cuddliest-
too.
A little bit heavy.
Oh, so cute.
Get in the box.
Yep, I remember this one from
It's
Costco.
so soft.
Dad, kitty's in the box.
And we need a Costco card too, going back inside.
Oh, we got it, Cami.
Wiggle.
Very good, guys.
Okay, Ty.
Good job, boys.
Right.
Right, Trent?
Extra.
Yep,
Oh,
Trent.
yeah,
Go ahead, Trent.
Okay.
Hmm.
Or
Maybe.
it's probably a.
Okay, fine, okay.
I really never know.
Okay.
Ooh, I see green. I
This-
see green.
Yeah, this one here was hard to find.
It's probably an Xbox game.
Well, because you saw the green.
It's a Horizon 5.
Yep, the car racing
I
game.
remember you talking about it.
Yeah, it's a racing game. Yep, very cool,
Yep.
Trent. Yep,
I like racing
that's
games.
good. Thank
Maybe
you.
I'll play.
No.
That's good.
Like car racing?
Yeah, they got all kinds of.
Maybe
Yeah.
I'll play.
It's a one-player game.
No, but I can
No,
play
she
with
could
you.
play it.
Oh, it's like.
Yeah. Go ahead, Tyler. I got you.
Now one of these, I'm guessing.
Another one of what?
Now one of these.
Canada boat.
Ah, nice try, Tyler.
Maybe.
Nope, that's not it.
That's not it. This is your big one, Tyler.
Me too.
Yep, he wanted.
Oh,
Let me see. Oh, that's cool looking.
It's real.
Is that the motorcycle?
Yes. Now look at motorcycle.
No, I can't tell.
It's
Sometimes
because
you
it's so
call
black.
it
Tyler,
a
let me
dirt
see it.
bike or a drum or a.
Yep. Tyler, let me see it. Hold it up. Turn it around for
Oh,
us.
I take a picture of it.
No, I didn't take a picture. I'm taking a
Yeah,
video.
we-
I'm taking a video. All right. Thank you, buddy.
Now, Daddy, I'll bring her, I guess.
All right. Here you go, Tyler. You take a video of me and mommy. Thank you.
Or Mommy can open hers.
Yeah, it don't matter. Where's mommy?
Daddy, open up that gift bag first.
Okay.
Very nice out.
Yeah, you do.
That's what I said, very nice
But he
It
hasn't,
says, you think you told me this?
but he hasn't seen it.
I haven't seen it yet, though.
But you'll love it.
Yes, I will. I'm sure I will.
out. Mommy's ribbon work
Oh, wow. Very nice. Thank you. The ornament.
is very pretty.
Yep.
All
it's
from the
all
flowers.
the flowers from the funeral for mom. Very nice. Thank you very much. I'll hang that up. Or I'll have Cami hang it up. Yep. Very nice. Thank
Don't
you.
throw it. I
I'm
won't
not going
throw
to throw it. Thank you.
Where's Kitty?
Gift bag.
Nah.
Throw that to me, Trent.
Here, Ty.
This is all mine or yours?
That's all yours,
That's
Jeff.
yours.
I was a good boy.
I helped pick some out. So
Where's
actually,
Kitty at?
Actually,
We're
they're,
talking about gifts. Right?
actually, they're from me.
Are they?
And it's not a wallet.
And I'm going to guess this is a wallet.
No.
Earrings, necklace. Jolly.
Earrings.
Necklace, jewelry.
Keychain.
Yes.
Feel how soft it is. The leather.
Brand new wallet.
It's
Brand
real-
new wallet. Everybody stand
Daddy
back.
needs one. His is about to rip apart.
It's real leather.
And it's super soft.
And it's a bifold.
Yep. Nice. Thank you.
Dad,
very-
show me.
I will. Good job, Tyler. Good. Wait a minute. Let me fix it.
Like that.
Let me do it like
There,
this.
there you go.
Got the little flap.
Oh.
Very nice. Thank you.
So
Very
he's,
much.
flip his badge.
Yep. Now this blends in, so remember this is laying up here. Because we'll all be looking, or I'll be looking. I'll lay it on the corner. All right. Thank you. This is a Bible right here. Bible.
Mm.
Is that
Nope.
handkerchiefs?
Nope.
Kim was trying to remember. Undies.
The
A Christmas undies.
always get-
That is always
Thank
one
you.
of those.
I love Christmas underwear. Thank you. Whoop, 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 whoop. Thank you very much.
Always one of those. You don't know. I
Oh
don't
yeah, I've already got this. What do you think, Tyler?
I don't know.
Jewelry?
Nope.
A belt.
know. Ice cream. No.
Vintage black.
Oh, is that the
Oh,
cologne?
Kenneth Cole.
Kenneth Cole, yeah. Scratch it smells so good.
Oh, does it?
It's not bad. I smoked it.
Okay.
It's not super strong.
No, yeah. It's not too strong.
Yeah.
Dad, show me.
Good job, Tyler. This is cologne for daddy and for the boys.
Yeah, it's for the lady.
Whoever wants to. put on
My
some smoky
phone
stuff.
getting low.
Are we sure this-
Round one. Black, round.
Oh yeah, it is. You're right. I want to make sure this is mine, right? Yeah, to Jeff. This is gonna be some sort of clothing. Whenever you see this box,
That I picked out, maybe.
let's see.
Shirt, pants.
Oh Ooh, yeah, Jersey. Bengals. Burrow.
Who did?
Yeah.
Who
I
did?
like
Who
the,
did? Who did?
This is number
Who
9.
the
Number
Steelers?
nine.
Number 9. I'll open this up real quick. This won't take long.
20 million.
Ooh.
10 million years.
10
Later.
years later.
Look how beautiful.
Look how nice that is.
Number
Look
9.
how nice
Number
it
9.
is. Ooh, perfect.
And I gotta try it on.
No.
Good. Because I would look really good in this.
Super
Just
big.
send a picture of that and
It'll
send it to the left.
Well,
supposed to
you
be
like
big.
them bigger.
It's supposed to be big.
Yeah. Yeah, that fits you good.
Let me fix my collar.
So you wear a shirt under that, right?
Definitely.
Like a white.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You definitely wear a
Yeah.
shirt.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Definitely bigger.
It's
but
supposed to be
looks
bigger,
good.
but
Just
yeah.
to
Yeah.
hang on you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good.
So yeah, it's not bad.
I'll wear that next Monday.
Yep.
That's
Yeah, definitely nice
good.
and long. But yeah, it's good. All right. And the next gift.
And that is last gift.
This is soft. It's squishy. Tammy's trying to think what it is. I already know.
I don't,
It's clothes.
I don't think Kim's seen this one.
Well, I'm thinking of versus that one there. The other. Yep, t-shirts.
Nope, not t-shirt.
Nope, underwear again. This stuff is heavy. Oh, it's these soft, silky.
Micro fleece.
Yeah, they're nice.
Sure.
They're soft.
Okay, but here's another gift.
No, I don't see any. Yeah, these are nice. These
Remember
feel
we bought
super
one
soft.
for him?
Yeah.
There you go.
Mommy probably lost it. But that's another shirt.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, where is that?
And you had it.
Yeah, I like these. Yeah, these are
But the
super,
boys have one.
You know what?
These are
I know
super.
where it's at. It's in the garage.
these are super soft.
What?
Oh, these are super soft.
These are really soft.
I like,
These
Yeah,
I like,
You like those?
are- Yeah.
I like the quarter
Tyler,
zip.
did you see
And I
this?
did.
Tyler?
Yeah, I see it.
So you can fold the neck down.
Yeah, but I like. See.
Yeah, those are nice.
Kitty's in a box.
Yep. Thank you very much.
Cut.
How do we go get you your other thing?
It was from me and Mommy forgot it. Of course.
We.
We.
Let me go freeze.
So you trying to take the dog?
No.
Kitty!
Yeah, Kitty's in the box.
Yep.
Kitty, you like your box?
Turn around. Yeah, that was good. Burrow. You make every day feel right. Is it heavy? Does it feel like heavy?
Oh, it's not too bad. Yeah. Trying to get some video of Cami and Trent while you're sitting there. And Kitty inside the box.
Yeah, Kitty in the box. Hello, Squirt.
Hi, nerd.
Hi, Dort.
Hi.
Kitty in there.
Yeah. Is that both? Yeah. Yeah. Woo! This,
Oh, okay. Oh,
Carhartt.
man, I think it's huge. I don't know if that'd be too big.
Yeah,
for
it
me.
might be too big, but
We'll see.
Yeah,
We'll
we'll just
see.
keep
I
the
got the
tag on it.
receipt.
Yeah, that's pretty long, but I like
And
the
this
color.
is- And this is a long sleeve.
Don't take the tag off. Yeah.
Yeah. You just try them on.
These are nice. I like the
their
color.
sizes are weird.
They
Yeah.
are.
Like their
Yeah.
sizes are huge.
Yeah.
Like they definitely run up bigger.
Yeah. You got the receipt and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Just in
Yeah.
case
Yep,
It
I
looks
have all of
really
them.
long. Yeah, here they are. Yeah. Yeah, but I love the color. Thank you.
Yeah.
Both of them. Yeah, very nice.
Big day too.
Yep. Thank you.
All right,
very
my
much.
Boys
turn.
had one too.
Thank you.
What'd you say?
Boys had a shirt too.
Yeah, but that's
Yeah.
from somebody else.
Yeah. I'll put them back here.
And Mommy turn.
And mommy's turn.
I wrapped this myself, so I know what it is.
Wow.
Yeah. But she tries taking everything of Deanna's ideas.
Deanna had a great idea. Well, I've been wanting something like this. Kim's been telling me all the time
Well, you need
Yeah.
something to hang.
that I need something.
Oh, is that for the car?
Yes.
Yeah,
It goes
you do.
in between.
Oh my gosh. The amount of times I have to hold her purse in the car so it doesn't fall back.
Yeah.
Or
It
forward.
is Crazy.
See how it falls?
And everything falls out. She's like, oh.
Yeah, so I can't wait to put that in the car.
Yay.
Thank you.
Cute.
Kitty, you're fat. You're fat.
Kitty.
And here is rose gold color wireless earbuds.
That.
Did you get that
And
from
you're
Deanna?
welcome, my
Was
love.
that from Deanna's list too?
Yes. She got. I'm like, those are so cute.
Shocker.
This one I do not know.
Yep, that was on me and Daddy. But Daddy had the idea.
Don't you guys love this paper?
Yeah.
How it's
Love it.
thicker and it's two-sided. It's so pretty.
Yes, it is. Let's see what's in this. It says fragile.
Fragile.
Could be.
Dishes.
I might need.
Tyler.
Got it.
You got
Just
it.
kidding. But be careful when you don't dump it out.
Okay.
Yeah. Should be in like styrofoam.
Yeah.
It's fragile.
You might want to flatten it out. Lay it flat.
Do you know what it is?
I have no clue.
This is
I think that's a no. She, she still doesn't know what it is.
yeah.
Spice rack?
Yep.
That. Be careful. They're gonna
Look
dump the other
how
way.
nice.
You can leave the other way. Yeah.
We might need to get some more spices, but
That's so cool. So it lays like this,
yeah.
like you lay it
Because
flat.
that freaking spice spinner drives me nuts. Stop eating
Yeah,
it.
it's all
So the
that.
present is more for you.
No.
It's all for you. They already have all the seals. They're already pre-made, the stickers for
Yeah.
every spice. So very
Okay,
nice.
then you just stick it onto the
On
top.
the
Yeah.
top, right, and it props up.
Yeah,
the spice
that's cool,
rack.
guys. Yeah, I love that.
Because your spice rack up there is messed up.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Yeah, so it sits up. Yeah, it props up when
Props
you stand
up
it.
like this.
It goes the other way. Here, let me show you.
Yeah, because right here is the stand.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
So it'll stand up like this.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And it's facing out toward you.
Yeah.
Oh well.
At an
Yeah.
angle, right.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and like I said, everything's pre. They already got all the stickers and everything, so you don't need to. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, here's the funnel. Kim was asking what this was. I
The
said it's
pour.
the pour.
I didn't
yeah.
know. I
There you
came
go, yeah.
with
Yeah,
it.
silicone.
Yeah, silicone.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be the mounting bracket, if you want to mount, but we'll just slide it in.
You need to keep that round thing in your hand, Dad.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. What's it? One of the markers?
To right, maybe to
Yeah, they've got that too.
for things that are not on there.
You know, we lay this stuff up there so we don't lose any of this. Alright. Cool, and I've got one more. There you go.
What is this?
That must be a bar or mounting bracket or something for it.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to open that. You can open it. See that. This is probably a marker. Some sort of,
Yeah.
some sort of a. Alright.
You don't have to open that, Mom. It's just a bar.
I literally don't know. It's something.
Was there any instructions?
Yeah, I got a booklet up there.
Okay.
Are so cute. Kitty. The fat.
Oh, it's additional, it's 3 more additional glass bottles in case these break.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. It's extra bottles, Dad.
Give me your fruit. Oh,
Kitty!
Oh, you're so cute. Look at that cuteness. Cuddle.
Stop a video.
Yeah, I got one more.
Wonder what it is.
One more present, everyone.
My
Too expensive perfume.
Yep. That's the Aqua.
the Aqua by
Armani.
Giorgio. Oh my, it's so good.
Take that.
Okay.
Cami, you're not allowed to use this
Oh,
except on special occasions.
I've heard it all before.
Yeah, no, she used my whole bottle.
You can use the whole bottle.
Only like a little bit.
Gary, that's
Cami.
Chrissy, that's a little bit.
I
much.
didn't.
Yeah, you-
I just spread like 3.
Yeah, at a time.
And I took kitty.
You're used to using yours. You're like,
Yeah.
this, you only need 1 squirt.
Hi, kitty.
Oh, there's something else in here.
Yeah. And you're welcome.
Quick liner for eye,
It's a free gift.
like eyeliner, probably.
I guess.
She don't know. They give it with the perfume.
She said you would love it. I'm like, I knew she would.
I said she would probably use it somehow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good. It's a gel eyeliner pen. I need another.
I think that's just.
Yeah, I
That's
just
just
looked at the flyer. Thank you, my love.
You're very welcome. Mwah. All right, Ty, get a big video of all the mess all over the floor, and then we'll turn the video off. This is Christmas 2022.
And kitty in the box.
In the fireplace. We all have this thing in.
There you go.
Thank you. We got a picture of Tyler, our videographer. There's our video guy.
Let's no. Get out.
Kitty's trying to
Get
get.
Yeah, we can use that for
Yeah.
Christmas paper.
No, I got a bag for Christmas paper. I don't want to show.
Boxes.
Is it coming out?
and-
Nah, we got bags. We're good. All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See ya.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
There goes up the animal.
You filthy animal. So let's see our filthy animal. There he is.
I'll show you back, kitty.
Yeah.
Paper heaven.
Yep. All right. We're good.